Today is Thursday, October 3rd, and I am on my way to Auto Couture in Fair Lawn, New Jersey. Why? Well, I'm going to install the HKS HYPERMAX sleeve over coilover kit on my 2020 GR SUPRA. Traffic blows. All right, guys, well, we are here at Auto Couture, and I just want you guys to check this place out because they know what they're doing here when it comes to cars and tuning and whatever else. So check this out. All right, guys, let's see how this baby looks. We are finished. Well, I'm happy with the install. Car looks great. So let's see how she drives on the way home. I can't stand traffic, honestly. I have to say, the suspension feels really good, just like stock, but a wee bit firmer, and that's exactly what I wanted. No complaints so far. I mean, I haven't really driven much, just sitting in traffic on my way home, but it feels really good. Going over bumps, it's not too harsh at all. I'm glad I went with this kit. You know, there's the KW full coilover kit that's out. I didn't want to do that. This is my daily. I just wanted something that's gonna be comfortable, something that I can adjust the ride height, I can take to the track. And I feel that this HKS HYPERMAX system definitely, they delivered. the product, and I'm pleased with it. And I would like to thank Auto Couture for squeezing me in and installing the kit for me. Gotta go back Saturday for an alignment, so I have to drive around a little bit, let this suspension settle. But guys, subscribe, like, stay tuned. Lime Rock Monday.